Hey everybody, I haven't posted in a while. I've been on a month trip. You heard about my cruise and my trip to Russia and then to Anna Maria Island and to Lithia. Now I'm back in Miami. I'm actually in Hialeah at this really cool place. Look at the name. It's Luggage Repair Center. I know that comes out backwards. So I brought two luggage here today and I brought them a piece of art. And she's holding it up. Wait, turn it. No, this way, like this. There you go. So we have, whoops. Oh, I gotta go this way. So here we are with your name? Lady. And what is it that you guys do here?
We do repair for luggage, for everything brand. We repair all that you need for luggage. You can see the bags that we have here.
Oh, this place is, look at this. There's even bags.
This is my manager, Carolina.
This is Carolina.
How are you?
Both these young ladies are Colombian, of course. And they've been so nice. I brought them a piece of art and they're able to replace my luggage. I'm not going to say how or what or why. But how long has this store been around?
18 years, about to be 19.
19 years, and it was
And
started.
it's third generation.
Third generation store, and it was started by who?
The parents of the owner, the current owner.
Wow. And the current owner's name is Scott.
Scott Custom,
Okay.
yes.
Yeah, okay, Scott. And he's from New York, New Jersey?
Uh-huh.
Awesome. And he got into this business because his parents used to sell luggage.
Yeah, they had a bunch of stores, and as a kid, he just wanted to make his money, and he just started repairing, and, he's very handy, and anything he laid his hands on, he was able to somehow fix. So his parents were like, hey, why don't you just work for us? And because of that, he just started continuing in the business, and he just took it from there.
Awesome. What a great story, huh? Don't you love it? People are so great when you get to know people. And these are two lovely ladies here. And this gentleman here, he gave me a hug. What is your name, sir?
John.
John. He gave me a hug, and so did the owner. That's pretty cool, man. Where do you get that? Huh? Hey, Purple Squirrel checking out here live from Hialeah. Bye.